tutorial we are discussing about understand inheritance basics. So first of all, what is inheritance in Java? Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires the properties and behavior of parent object. It is an important part of object-oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents the is-a relationship, which is also known as parent-child relationship. Let's discuss about the terms used in inheritance. Class. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. Subclass or child class. Subclass is a child class which inherits the other class. It is also called the derived class, extended class or child class. Superclass, parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called a base class or a parent class. Reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates use to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods defined in the previous class. Let's discuss about the syntax of Java inheritance. Java subclass name extends superclass name, methods and fields. The extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherited is called a parent or superclass, and the new class is called child class or derived class. Here are the different types of inheritance. So in Java, there are three different types of inheritance. First one is single, in which a single parent class can be inherited with the single child class. Second is multi-level, in which a class A, class B inherits the properties of class A and class C inherits the properties of class B directly and class A indirectly. Hierarchical, in which two classes, that is B and C, implements or inherits the properties of class A. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overriding, so the runtime polymorphism can be achieved, or for code reusability. Let's see the code how we can implement the inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java. First of all, we create a class employee, which is a parent class, and inside the class we add a variable that is float salary and initialize it with the value 40,000. And then we create a child class, that is class programmer, and it extends the property of parent class by adding extend keyword employee. And inside it we just use the value, that is int bonus is equals to 10,000. And inside the main method, we create the object of child class, that is programmer P is equals to new programmer. And inside the system.out.println, we access the salary variable, that with the help of child class object, we can access the parent class variable as well as child class variable. Because parent class has a property to inherit the members of child class has a property to inherit the member of parent class. So by using the parent class of child class object, we can access the parent class member. We just save it and just execute it. So we are already in our location. So just write Zavak programmer.java. Hence, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it by using Java programmer. See, it will give us the result, that is salary and bonus, because salary is a variable of parent class but child class object can easily access it. Let's see another example. for inheritance in Java. Here we create a class animal, which is a parent class, and inside the class we can take a method that is void eat and print the value of eating here. And again we take a class that is class dog, but it is a child class because it extends the property of animal, or we can say that it extends the parent class that is animal. And inside it we take a method that is void bark and print it barking. So here we take another class for testing the inheritance, and we write it as a test inheritance. And inside the main method we create the object of child class dog d is equals to new dog. And here we, with the help of child class object, we can access the parent class method. First of all we access the child class method and then parent class method. Just save it. Let's execute it. We are already in our location. So just write Zavak test inheritance.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will print both the value that is barking and eating. So in this way we can achieve the implementation in Java. Thank you.